The 137 error code on an LG TV indicates that there is an issue with launching a certain application. This error can be caused by a faulty internet connection, an outdated application, or corrupted cache files. To resolve this issue, start by checking the internet connection. Try restarting the router by unplugging it from the power source, waiting 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. Bringing the router closer to the TV may also help. Alternatively, consider altering the DNS server on the TV or connecting it using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Additionally, check for updates to the affected application by pressing the home button on the remote, selecting the Content Store, and then clicking on My Apps to see if there are any available updates. If an update is available, select it to download the latest version. Clearing the cache can also be helpful, which can be done by pressing the Home button, selecting Settings, and then choosing the Application Manager option. From there, select the affected application and choose to clear the cache. By following these steps, the error should be resolved, allowing the application to launch properly again.